Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll and tap on the display. Now let's scroll down again, and as you can see right here we've got the automatic screen out option, so let's tap on it, and here we've got some options from which we can choose. So we can set either 15 or 30 seconds, and the 30 seconds option is right now applied, as you can see it is marked, but we can set also 1, 2, 5 or 10 minutes. So all you have to do in order to change it is to simply tap on the option you'd like to use. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes, and as you can see it is immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is also notified right here, which means that from now on, after 5 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. So actually this is it. This is how to change the screen timeout in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S, sorry. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.